If there is no law, then Satan will never die. Satan will always live. He will always live, right? The reason why we need the law is God wants to eliminate the sin from the face of the universe, right? If there is no law, Satan will be forever with us, because Satan will say, oh, no more law, then I can do whatever. No. So, do you want Satan will be with us always, or Satan will be eliminated? Of course, that's why we need the law. If there is no law, then Satan will be always with us, right? The same thing in our life. When we become Christians, then we are under the grace. It means protected by the law, right? We are Australian. We have a good life. We have a car. We have house, because we are protected by the good law, right? The good law.